Right now, you are now tuned in. Let's get.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video today. I have a special announcement, y'all. I've been keeping this secret. I held it hostage for like a month now, or a real month now. So I know if you watched my video yesterday when I was swinging all over the place, now you can see this is the next morning and my hair is stuck like a duck and it ain't gonna give up. And I'm gonna be sticking up probably later. But that is not what this video is about. This video is not about me. This video is not about me. This video is actually about you. I'm bringing you another conference. Y'all, we got another conference. It's going to be Sunday, January 27th, 2 days away. 1, 2 sleeps, and you're gonna be there. Okay? Sleep there. Okay, you need to be there. Will you be there? You better be there. You won't believe who we got coming to the conference on Sunday, y'all. I don't know how I did this. I don't know how I kept this secret from you. You know I can't hold water. You know I can't. But I kept this from you because I wanted to be a huge surprise. And I'm going to just pop this picture on there real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. I know, right? Y'all think y'all excited? I'm more excited than anything in life right now. Like, this conference is going to be so huge. This is the second Sister Locker conference ever done on YouTube, on my channel. Make sure you go back and watch the first conference because I did another conference in December. My first one with a group of beautiful ladies as well, so go check that one out. But did y'all see who we got? Okay, if you don't know, now you know. Let me just say it because I'm about to cry. I got Abidemi Komolafe, Britannia 718, K-Adore, Drknlvely, Green Thoughts, Lavenialivinglife, Naturecoilsbypw, Green Thoughts, Imani Goodridge. Y'all, I don't know if you follow these people, but you need to catch up and follow these beautiful ladies. They post pictures of their locks on Instagram. Only sister locker in this group who don't have a YouTube channel is K-Adore. All the links to their channels and their Instagram is going to be on the scheduled live post. The scheduled live post will come out tomorrow, and it's going to be a countdown until the conference. That post will have the link to the event, the link to all the channels for the people that are on the panel. This live is super duper fun. If you come to my channel, you already know how I get down. We laugh, we clown, we learn, and you know, we support each other. That's what we do here. Okay, we're building a sisterhood. Like, I'm trying to really build a sisterhood. All these sister lockers that I can meet, you know what I'm saying, that I am addicted to seeing, I want to meet you, you know, and I want to be able to provide that to you as well. I know you want to meet us too. So make sure you go on Facebook, SisterlockerTV, the group. It's a private group. You have to answer a few questions. This group is a private group. It's exclusive because all of the YouTubers that I meet want to get them to be involved on this group, so then you can talk to them and communicate with them at a more intimate level. You know what I'm saying? Get to know you. Get to know you, sis. I want to get to know you. I definitely do. So if you join this group, you can post your pictures of your installation, your test locks, of if you do like a cute style, if you do some curls, whatever you want to post, we want to see it. We all want to see it. And if you have a YouTube channel, this is a very beneficial page for you, group for you, because you are definitely welcome to post when you make new videos or tell people about your channel, because I'm all about supporting my sisters. You know, that's what I'm on. Especially in 2019, we gotta stick together, y'all. So make sure that you're here for this live event. You don't want to miss this one. You do not want to miss this one. Y'all just so excited. I finally told y'all. Now I'm like, I feel better. Like, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Did you hear the names that I said? Did you hear them all in one place? Really? Really? Okay, so come out Sunday night. You can ask questions. I definitely want you to come in the live with some questions and some good topics and some good conversations. Just join the fun. All right. I will see you tonight, Friday night lives. I will be doing Friday night lives on my channel every Friday at 7 p.m. Central Time. Every single Friday I'm going live. So make sure you join in and chit chat. We can talk, you know, interact. Just come on in. Come on in. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't know. Do y'all see what I'm doing out here? I'm trying to do some of these streets. No, for real, I am. Like, let me calm down. So I know I'm a little extra for most, you know, but this is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be like this. This is what it is. So join the family, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. All right, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I did this video early because I'm just too happy. I just had to let y'all know. I just had to let y'all know. Whew, I'm getting hot. It's getting hot in here. This is too much. It's too much. Whew. Okay, all right, bye.
Gone on you with the pick and roll, younger flame hit mode.